Hey guys, so for this tutorial, you're gonna need your gel strips of choice, which mine are the Dashing Divas. They're Valentine themed, and they're called Love Notes. You're also gonna need a gel to cure the strips so they can last longer. This one is the gelish Top It Off. You can use whichever one you want as a top coat. I have some clippers to cut my nails down if I need to, scissors to cut the strips, this little cuticle pusher, which is silicone that helps pushes the cuticle, and also it's going to help push down the strip, and a file of my choice if I need it, but they also has a file in here. And of course, you can't forget your UV or LED lamp. Now let's begin. So when you open these, put this to the side. It's going to come out with a prep pad. Obviously your little file, or you could use your file of choice. The instructions, which we won't need that. A little aluminum thing, and the nail strips. So what you're gonna want to is, you're gonna want to go ahead and start, get that out of the way. There for a second. You're gonna want to start deciding what fits to each nail, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do my left hand because I'm a righty, and you're just going to match it up. You're just going to see which one fits the best. So I already know that the second one is too small, it doesn't cover the edge. This bigger one does pretty much cover the edge, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So I'll just put it in order as well. And then just continue doing that for each nail. Okay, so now that we selected each and every nail strip, I'm going to go ahead and take my nail file, just kind of file the sides, and I'm also going to file a little bit my nail in order so the strip could better adhere to it. Alrighty, now that the nails have been filed, you're gonna go ahead and take your strip, the nail prep, remove as much oil as possible so they can adhere. If not, they'll lift. So you're gonna let it fan out. You're gonna fan it out so they can dry. Okay, so once again, you're gonna take your strip and just align it, and then start placing it. Now I'm gonna use this to help me put my nail up. So what I do is I pull my nail on my fingers, the skin on my finger like that back, and carefully place it. And I start pushing it down. And then with this, I start pushing the edge. Okay, Now, what I get is, what did I get? I take the nail file that came with the kit and I file down like this in down motions. You don't want to do it back and forth like that because it'll tear the strip. Okay, and then with this back part, I just kind of file the nail. It has a little strip that was left here, so then I go ahead and I cut the little strip here. So I go ahead and round this off. You see? Ends up looking like that. And gonna repeat that with all the other nails. Okay, so this is what the nails look like on my right hand and, excuse me, my left hand and my right hand. Oh my gosh, they came out pretty cute. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it off with this gelish to cure it. You don't have to do this. I just like doing it, you know, to prevent lifting because I'm constantly washing my hands. I do it on the edge as well, the nail. Now for this, the instructions on here, we're gonna just cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so I cured my nails 2 times and they came out like this. Came out really pretty. So yeah, I love it. So now all that we have to do is remove the tackiness from the nail. So I'm gonna take a cotton ball, and with some alcohol, remove the tackiness. That's it. All done. I love it. I love doing my own nails at home. It's just so much easier for me. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please stay tuned for more weekly videos and consider subscribing, comment, and share. Well, I hope to see you guys next week, and take care. God bless. Bye.